The purpose of this video is to get you set up with the proper software that will allow you to explore the Corona SDK activity. And SDK stands for Software Development Kit. So we're going to start with a simple Google search, Corona SDK. I'm going to click on the first link that comes up. It takes me to the Corona page, and I'll click on download. And what I've discovered recently is that Corona has been purchased by another company called Solar 2D, but the application is still the same. So as I scroll down from there, I see the PC version of the download and I see the the Mac version of the download. So pick the appropriate platform and then click on it, and it will then download it for you. So I've already downloaded what I need here for Solar, so I'm going to open it, show it in my folder. And of course, it doesn't come up, so I will just go ahead and find it. There we go. There's my downloads folder, and there is the application. So I run that, and it will do the install for me. Now, I'm going to do the same thing right away with Atom. So I'm going to go back to Google. I'm going to type in ATOM. I click on that first link, and then I click on my download, and it will do the same thing. I guess it's still downloading. So anyway, when I show it in folder, it will be there for me. There's my Atom install, and you double click on that and go ahead and install it. So what that will do then is give you two applications, Solar Simulator and the Atom text editor. All right, so that will be your first step. Now here is my Solar Simulator. So I opened up that by going to Corona and choosing Corona Simulator. And here is my Atom text editor. So I'm going to stop this video right there, and then you'll see another link to another video that will pick up at this point and show you how to utilize these two applications to work together to create programs in Corona.